Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Discord versus Sombra, two platforms with different approaches to communication. We'll dive into their primary features, who they are designed for, and what makes each one stand out. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, helping you decide which platform is the better fit for your personal or professional interactions. Let's get started and explore these two fascinating options. Discord is renowned for its vibrant community features, making it a top choice for gamers, content creators, and online groups. It provides seamless voice and video calls, alongside rich text chat, all within customizable servers. With support for thousands of members, screen sharing, and a vast array of integrations, Discord offers unparalleled flexibility for building and managing dynamic online spaces. It's designed for social interaction and collaborative engagement. In contrast, Sombra is built with a strong emphasis on security and data privacy, making it suitable for more sensitive or professional communications. It often incorporates advanced encryption and strict access controls to protect information. Imagine a platform where secure monitoring and efficient, private information exchange are paramount. Sombra aims to provide a highly controlled environment, ensuring that your discussions and data remain confidential and accessible only to authorized individuals. So, which platform is better? If your goal is to build a large, interactive community, enjoy casual chats, or engage in gaming, Discord is likely your best bet, offering extensive social features. However, if your priority is stringent data security, private information exchange, and a controlled professional environment, Sombra stands out. Your ideal platform ultimately depends on whether you value broad community engagement and flexibility, or robust privacy and secure communication above all else.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.